You see that? Right there. It's called light. It's right here in my office. And you know what? It's been there for a long time. It sits above all my desk right there. But you know what? As long as it's been there, that right there has never, not one time, never has it made a sound. Jesus said that we, you and I, are the light of the world. And he has called us to be light. And one thing about light is it doesn't make sounds. It just shines brightly. It shines bright and makes the things bright. Saint Francis of Assisi said this. He said, "Preach the gospel at all times, and if necessary, use words." And I think a lot of people struggle with the fact that they don't use a lot of words, and they struggle with that. But let me encourage you this morning, that your walk is more important than your talk. That there are some things that are taught, but there are some things that are caught. Let me encourage you also this morning that you are a living epistle. That means you are a book. You are a book that people are reading. And every day, how you walk and how you talk and how you perform and how you act and how you are in society, every day, people are looking at you and they're wanting to know if they can see the gospel that lives inside of you. Can they see the Jesus that lives inside of you? But I want to let you know this, that when they need to see a Jesus and they need Jesus in their situation, they're always going to go to the light. And you may be the light in a family situation or a person's situation. They're always going to go to the light because Jesus said, you are the light of the world. So today, shine brightly because you are the light that Jesus said has come into this world. Represent him, shine brightly for him, shine brightly for the kingdom. Preach the gospel at all times. And if necessary, use words.